Hello friends, today we make push button control home automation. Now we start the project. First we open Tinkercad. This is a Tinkercad export and now search the component Arduino. Then drag and drop here. Now we search push button. This is a push button. Now we take one resistor and now search relay module, then supply, and the last one is bulb. Now we arrange the component and connect the circuit. First we connect the push button. In the push button, we use two terminal 1A and terminal 2A. Resistor connect any terminal and second pin of the resistor connect to the ground of the Arduino. Then make a black and same terminal 2 connect to the any digital pin. I am connecting digital pin number 2. Here put green. And the terminal 2A is connect to the power pin of the Arduino, means 5 volt of the Arduino. This is the 5 volt. Now push button is connected. Now we connect the relay module. In the relay module there is 6-7 pin. Terminal 12 pin connect to the positive of the supply. This is the positive of the supply. I have connected. Now terminal 8 connect to the digital pin of the Arduino. Any digital pin you have to connect. I have connect 7 pin of the Arduino. 7 pin of the Arduino. Now terminal 5 is connect to the ground of the Arduino. The negative pin of the Arduino means GND pin of the Arduino. This is the GND pin. Now we connect the GND. This is the GND pin. Connect to the Arduino, and terminal 6 connect to the load of the Arduino, load of the bulb. You have connected to the load, then you can use the connect to the load of the bulb. And second terminal connect to the negative of the supply. This is the negative pin of the supply. Now the circuit is connected. Now we have to make a code. Click on the code section and click on the blocks and use text. Click on the text, then continue, and the code will paste here. Code link also given in the description. You can download the code and paste it here. Bulb is connected. Relay is connected to the 7 pin of the Arduino. I have changed 7 pin. Here also change 7. You can use any pin and change the pin here. Now we start the simulation. When I am pressing the button, then bulb will on. Again I am pressing the button, then bulb will off. This is a toggle button. In one button we have to make a on and off system. This is a push button, not a switch. When I pressing one time, then bulb will be on. When I pressing second time, the bulb will automatically off. If you have any problem, you can comment also. Code also given in the description. You can download it. Thank you all friends.